Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Aitools, and I'm here to teach you everything you need to know about AI. Today we're talking about how to build a chatbot for your business, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know in a very simple way with a step-by-step guide. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech genius to build a chatbot. There are a number of platforms available that make it easy for anyone to create a chatbot, even if you have no coding experience. So, if you're looking for a way to improve your customer service, generate more leads, and boost your sales, then building a chatbot is the way to go. Chatbots provide 24/7 worldwide customer support. It is qualified to lead, generate new leads, and even close sales. It enables user inputs, and you can use this data to optimize online and mobile experiences for your customers. For example, by bringing the information and products they're looking for closer to them. This tool also optimizes your back-end operations and reduces cost and helps you save money on advertisement. Now, it's important to note that there are two different types of chatbots: dumb and smart. Dumb chatbots are rule-based, meaning they can only respond to specific commands or questions. A smart one is powered by an AI. Trained by machine learning, it is able to make a smart conversation and understand perfectly the input. You can build a basic rule-based chatbot free of charge, but anything that scales well and relies on any AI at all will start with a budget of $30,000 or well over $99,000. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to build a chatbot with 6 steps that you can develop from scratch. 1. Identify the type of chatbot you're building. Identify your business goals and customer needs. What do you want your chatbot to achieve? Why are you building a chatbot? Do you want it to answer customer questions, generate leads, or book appointments? Once you know your goals, you can start to think about what features and functionality your chatbot needs to have. The answer to these questions will guide your choice of bot type. You need to know your clients' needs and prospects and make the chatbot available on the platform that they're most comfortable using. Is it your website, a telephone app, or Facebook Messenger? Opt for a multi-channel strategy, in which case it's preferable to use the same chatbot stack across all the platforms, as opposed to, say, having a sales bot built with ChatFuel for Messenger and using Dialogflow for Google Assistant and mobile app versions. Think deeply about all of these questions, because from them, you will choose the best way to build your chatbot. 2. Create a chatbot. You can pick one of the frameworks and have chatbot developers design your bot, or one of the DIY TalkBot building platforms. When you pick a framework, your choice will probably be driven by the developer's skills and the availability of open source and third-party libraries for natural language processing. Just ensure that the library or SDK you choose integrates well with your existing software systems. I will show you 3 different platforms that you can use to build your chatbot. All of them require different level of coding from 0 to Pro. So let's start. ChatFuel. This platform often makes it to the top of lists because of its simplicity and free subscription option. You don't need developers or any prior knowledge of how to create a chatbot with it. This is a no-code solution, and it's powered by over 1 billion conversations every month. It is suitable for various platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. Dialogflow CX. Dialogflow CX is created by Google, and it is a cloud-based chatbot platform that's easy to use and offers a wide range of features. The natural language understanding platform is used for developing bots, voice assistants, and other conversational user interfaces using AI. It is available from cross-platform. It can be used with your custom bots as a back-end processing unit. Rasa. Rasa is an open-source framework for building bots. It is an open-source chatbot platform that's more powerful but more complex to use. You will need to host your bots yourself. It requires advanced developer skills, so it's better to hire a professional team. You can create an AI chatbot with text and voice interactively and rely on the open-source machine learning potential. The chatbot will perform for cross-platform, including web, messengers, and a few other chatbot frameworks. 3. Personalize the conversation flow. Designing the conversation flow can be a tricky part if you choose to incorporate AI into your chatbot. It would be better to have an expert do this work. They will build out the front and the server side of the chatbot. In other hands, if you do this with one of the DIY platforms, the process is almost as simple as drag and dropping reply options. 4. Train the chatbot. If your chatbot is a simple one, you can skip this step and go directly to the next one. If your chatbot uses AI, this process is very important. You need to train it on a massive dataset. You achieve this by training your bot on some existing datasets. The bot must understand the user intent, and that is done by teaching the bot all the different variants that customers can ask for things. The alternative is to get a third-party dataset with the information that your bot needs to know. 5. Test the chatbot. Remember that chatbots are still a novelty, so many of your customers will try to break it. Therefore, it's best if you foresee these scenarios with graceful, general replies that direct conversations towards actual goals, or with a frictionless fallback to a human agent. The languages must be as much as possible similar to a conversation that's human to human. Test it for understanding if it will be able to reply and help your customers. Once you've built your chatbot, it's important to test it thoroughly before deploying it to your website or app. Make sure it can understand and respond to a wide range of customer inquiries. 6. Deploy and maintain the chatbot. Deploying a chatbot does not take a lot of time. You just need to ensure that all endpoints are connected and the bot integrates with your entire infrastructure if you happen to use a CRM, ERP, or similar software system. Once the bot is deployed, the chatbot development lifecycle doesn't end. Now you need to check the statistics and refine the answers to keep users satisfied. Here are a few tips for building a successful chatbot. Make sure that clients can talk with a real human if their problem is particularly complicated or the chatbot is not able to fix it. Monitor your chatbot's performance. Once your chatbot is deployed, it's important to monitor its performance and make adjustments as needed. Keep your chatbot simple. Don't try to make your chatbot do too much. Focus on 1 or 2 key tasks that your chatbot can do well. Test your chatbot regularly. As your business grows and changes, you'll need to update your chatbot's training data and workflows. So there you have it. That's how you build a chatbot. Now, I know that this video was a bit long, but I wanted to make sure that I covered everything. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below.